really brought a GTR to a BMW meet, guys.
Again, bringing this car to every kind of meet besides Nissan.
I wonder if we can go in here. You think we could?
Have you ever been to a Nissan meet?
Nissan Fest. I'm gonna try to finesse my way in here.
Oh my God, you're tripping, bro.
I'm gonna be the only GTR in this parking lot. Guys, look how funny this is. I'm literally the only GTR here, for sure, 100%. The only Nissan probably in this whole parking lot. But we finessed our way in. We're at the PQ booth. We got all these sick ass cars. Look at it, the Chrome E92. We've seen this on plenty of times in my vlog, but this one is crazy. It's so bright, bro. Look at it. You can literally see me in the reflection. But this thing is hard. So much mods. What is that, F80, brother? This car has so much mods though. Look at it. Full carbon fiber seat delete, roll cage. He did everything possible to an E92. He did. Everything you possibly can do to an E92, he did it, guys. And then we got Jay's car, which I don't know where Jay's at, but clean. Oh, you guys are gonna love this vlog. I already know. Look at all these BMWs. All the PQ cars. We got fresh kicks. Jay. This one. This is crazy. The homie Supra. Fire. All the PQ cars. It's cool. They got the whole booth here, so they got all their cool cars here. All the fast boys. Fire. Where's your car at?
Right there.
Hi. How are you? Where?
Get on the vlog.
You guys remember Anthony's G82?
Well, they said no GTRs here, but we're gonna make an exception.
But I was hoping I would come in without no one looking at me, but it's kind of hard.
You stand out. You stand out.
Everyone just mad dogging me driving in here,
Like,
bro. I swear. Oh my God! Look, what, you got new fenders? What is that?
Yeah. This is some custom stuff that we're doing right now.
That's fire.
Custom carbon fenders. And,
That's sick. You guys remember this one? We made a whole vlog on it, but it's finally out at a car meet.
Yeah, exactly.
It's so sick, bro.
In the shop.
Definitely the sickest one here. I'm gonna say it right now.
Yeah, appreciate that.
Look at this, guys. Oh, that shit's fire. But yeah, that's sick. There's so many BMWs here. Let's go check them out. It's literally like Beamer Fest, bro.
Bro, literally, huh?
I mean, I need one, bro. I feel like
You gotta get one.
I'm missing
Guys,
out.
tell him he needs to get one.
I know. Soon, I promise. I just gotta get rid of the Z and then I'm gonna get one. Guys, look at this. E46 M3. Oh, this one's so beautiful. It's actually one of the homies' cars. This is the body kit I want to put on mine. It's the Street Hunter kit. I think it looks sick. It's like the perfect wide body kit. Damn, there's such sick BMWs here, guys. Oh my God, this one is beautiful, bro. Look at the wheels on this car with the color paint that I want. This is the paint color I want, guys. It's called Shakir Orange. It's red, but it's like a little bit of orange in the sun. It's mainly red, you can tell. But with these wheels, it's combo. Wow, bro, this guy has a lot of stuff done to it. What are they doing over here? Is that punching stuff? Let's see her punch it real quick.
You better record this because it's gonna be good.
You got this. Come on.
Oh, hell no. Oh my God, look at this E46. Supercharged? Wow, this one's clean. I don't know how I feel about the gold and the red colorway, but this dude has F80 seats and an E46, guys. I've never seen that before. That has to be one of a kind right there. Oh, I've been wanting to see this one, guys. It's a truck M4 G80, but made into a truck. World's first and probably only one with the truck M4. They literally cut it, guys, and turned it into a truck. I don't know how. Look at my boy's wing. There's no way there's a wing on here. What do you guys think? Does it look cool as a truck? Since BMW didn't do it, he decided to make his own truck. What's with these chrome wraps? That's crazy.
Hey, fool, you don't have a BMW.
I know. You don't either. What are we doing here?
I don't know, dog.
My brother bought a Mercedes and I bought a GTR to a BMW meet. What is this? Hey, stock. We're not gonna show Jay's mods, guys. I'm hiding it. David about to do this? Oh shit! She gonna knock someone out.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see David do it. Let's see David swing, bro.
Ready?
David, come on.
All right.
What the fuck was that?
Don't worry about the
She got more than you. She beat you, bro. Pretend someone hit your F80, bro. Pretend someone hit your F80.
There it is.
She still beat you.
Oh, bro, it's because you gotta get good contact in here.
He's not gonna sleep on. David, put your whole body into it. David, punch that shit.
Fuck that shit, bro.
Oh, that shit quiet. Oh, I love E92s. Look how clean that is. Oh, they're so betty, bro. Well, there's BMWs everywhere. I know you guys are enjoying this vlog for sure. If you guys are, smash the like button. smash the like button, bro. Damn, that one's sick. Oh, that shit's hard. Look, guys, the chrome one's leaving. This car is so crazy. Imagine how much attention this car actually gets. Uh-oh. The cops are out. Brother, there's a cop. Look at all these big old wings on these BMWs. This wing is crazy. Look how big that is. All these E92s make me want to get another one, bro. I want another E92 so bad. That'll be hard. Oh my God, it's Finding Nick. Look at this. Who remembers the good old times, bro? I feel like I started that wave. Bro, don't you? I feel like I started that wave, no?
The color? Look.
Ooh, all over David. This is my homie Mark's car. This shit, it has to be one of the sickest F80s, especially in Austin Yellow. Oh, there he is. Oh my God, I'm gonna drop your food. This shit is clean. It's like David's car on like steroids, bro.
It's just, fuck man, I'll break it.
Damn, bro, this car is so crazy.
Are you gonna title this crashing BMW meet?
Maybe. I should, huh?
Yeah.
Taking my GTR to a BMW meet
It was
and
out for a while.
getting kicked out. If I get an F80, I want it to look very similar to this. But it looks cool in the Austin Yellow, same color as David's car. Finally, bro.
What do you mean?
Hey, there's some girls asking about you right now. I swear like 3 girls came up to me and they're like, do you know the owner of this car? Guys, he let me park in his booth.
BMW event, but when you're Nick, you can bring a GTR to BMW.
The only Nissan for sure here, bro. What if they kick me out? Damn, sick ass G-Shock.
We're bossing the boss. I had him.
Oh my.
The boss.
So they be giving out those a PQ or what?
We're about to raffle watch.
Are we going to the club check?
I'm never going to the club again with you guys.
Why not?
Cause I almost died.
Julie, you hear him? He says he's not going out today.
You're just a party.
I'm scared, bro.
Stomach hurt.
We're on a bungalow. I stopped, bro.
That's messed up. Yeah, what do you do for a living, bro?
That's just like 20 bucks.
People are gonna be talking even more now. What does Jay do for a living?
Damn, Jay, what do you do for work, bro?
Bro, I trade.
Every clip there's a new piece of jewelry on Jay.
I trade.
What do you trade?
Damn.
I feel like a little baby right now, bro. Like little baby. Bro, I went to Icebox right now.
Bro, Jay looks funny with this shit on. My boy looks like, I don't know.
My boy got 2 different time zones on his wrist. 5K together.
All
And
that?
like another 6, so like 41 racks.
It's 40K on your wrist real quick.
It's like David's car.
No, Peter's car.
Must be nice.
Peter's car.
Peter's car.
Damn. Bro, look how many French bulldogs
This ain't
there
no
are.
Boston Terrier rundown. Trust.
Damn, sick ass chihuahuas.
Come mierda. It's not a chihuahua.
How much is this? Another 40 bands right here,
It's
huh?
like 30, 50 grand right here.
That one's 30, 50?
Yeah.
So these are fluffies, guys. I guess these are worth a lot of money. Hey, what's up, buddy? You special, you know that? You're worth a lot of money, brother. I don't even think you know.
What about like,
They look like little Pokemon, bro. Little Yoda? Chewbacca? Guys, look at this E92. This is super clean. Satin black with the 88 BBSs. Roll cage. It's like a track spec right here for sure. David, forget the French Bulldogs. I want one of these. Look at how he walks. My boy can't even walk. Bro, I gotta see her dog. He's so cute, bro. Bro, this dog is so cute, bro. I want one of these so bad, guys. A little wiener dog. Look how long you are. Bro. This E92 has to be the best looking E92 here, I think. With the wheels, the bags, like everything.
don't you like my style tees better than those?
Yeah, your tees are way better than those, brother.
Yeah. A lot of people like those though.
I like the 18s, the smaller wheel setup, but those tees are like 20s.
They're too like, yeah.
I'm out.
You can't put
Sir, hey.
GTR, sir.
It won't fit my GTR?
Perfect, yeah.
Guys, this is the sickest F82, M4, F80, anything right here, bro. 100%. It's the homie Got Chucks on Instagram. And he has the cleanest car. Look at the wheels, look at the engine bay, look at everything. Bro, he changed out every little bolt on this car. Damn, bro, this shit is so beautiful.
This is the Cartel AMG right here. You see the polish? Good job, polish.
That shit looks great. Look at the turbos, guys.
Numbers.
Numbers.
How many numbers?
700. Stop it to me.
Look at that, guys. Big old turbos and the AMG. Tanner brought the Camaro, Andy brought the AMG, and I brought the Nissan to a BMW meet, guys. What are we doing?
Good job, Camaro.
Damn, this one's sick. Look at the exhaust on this, guys. Center exit on an F80. That one's crazy. Oh my God, those little 135s are fast. All right, let's go. This one's sick, but I think there's a CSL in there, guys. So a CSL is a G80, but it's like the race edition. So like how Kevin has the GTS, F80. This is the race edition of the G80. I think they're going for a lot of money. Damn, that thing is sick, bro. Bro, that one's super nice. That's a CS? Lime Rock? Kevin? That shit's mint. But this, bro, this is the one that everyone's talking about. See, this is the F80 GTS, like race edition. This is the G80 one. But you know how much these are right now?
250.
200K for a BMW, bro. 250?
There's 150 markup, bro.
That's insane, guys. Would you guys spend that much? It's 150 right now, but I think they add like 100K markup or something like that. Just because they're very hard to find. But look at the color. Wow, bro.
What paint is this?
This is a sick ass G80. Would you guys pay 200K for a BMW? Tell me right now. I don't know. This might be the thumbnail.
It's not for sale.
Not for sale? Why not? But yeah, guys, these are actually very rare to find. So it's cool that we got to see it today. I've never seen one in person. That's the first one I've seen, but you can tell there's like a bunch of carbon on it. I wish I can look inside because the interior is crazy. Like that's why they really stepped it up compared to like regular G80s. You can kind of see, look, all Alcantara, everything. The steering wheel, full carbon fiber bucket seats, and the whole back is seat delete. But yeah, these are sick cars. They're all like the crazy ones too. M5 CS. Boy, have you seen this, Jay? Look at the back seats. They have bucket seats in the front and bucket seats in the back. I don't know if you can tell. That's crazy. 200K for this too? They have all the rarest BMWs in here right now. M5 CS, M4 CS or GTS, CSL, Lime Rock. Look, I'm not the only Nissan. There's an R34 GTR here, guys. Wow, bro, that shit is sick. Bro, this thing is sick, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm not the only Nissan here. At least there's another Nissan, and this is the best Nissan you can buy right now, huh? Alright guys, this meet's pretty much coming to an end. A lot of sick BMWs here. I feel like I've been doing a bad job filming, but look at cops again, guys. So this meet is literally like 5 minutes from the last meet, and this whole block has been filled with cops, and they're just ticketing everybody. And I heard they're actually like state reffing everybody. So hopefully we don't get pulled over today. I hope, bro. I'm gonna be so sad if I get pulled over. Bro, it looks like they're arresting this guy. Look at him. Damn, fast guy. Should we race you something? G80? You're junior on the bike. God damn. David. So most of the ladies like super fast, guys.
Top drink.
Oh, the cop got somebody, bro.
Oh, it's Chacho.
I think he's literally pulling over the F80. Bro, this place is hot. I'm telling you, we gotta get out of here, bro.
Other that like that?
I'm telling you, Huntington Beach is horrible. They pull over every modified car. But these new wheels are so fire. I think they're way better than the BBS's, not gonna lie, guys. I love BBS wheels, but they just look so good. What the? He's driving it? The boss of P2's driving it, brother. God, that shit ready to go.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25, I'm thanking God for letting me see